Are you ready to get paid just by completing simple tasks? This is not rocket science. And by the way, these people are ready to pay you instantly. So you don't need to be waiting a long period of time in order to earn money. This is something that is working worldwide. And by the way, guys, you just need to have a cell phone. That's it. If you have a cell phone device, a mobile device, you can work with it. If you have a computer, that's okay as well. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. I'm going to show you 3 ways or 3 websites / apps that you can use in order to earn money. Remember, this is worldwide, but I have to be honest with you guys, this is not something that is going to retire you. Okay, so if you want to have some kind of different experience, if you want to have the opportunity to fire your boss, to live your life in your own terms, enjoy it, have a different lifestyle, I'm gonna leave a link below so you can discover what's my number 1 recommendation to make money online. So you can make money passively. So that means that you can make money while you travel, make money while you sleep. That's gonna be the very first link in the description. So now let me show you everything step by step so you can earn money. Remember, this is something worldwide, okay? So the very first website that I'm going to show you today, it's called Pico Workers. You can go to picoworkers.com and these guys are ready to pay you just by doing small gigs, okay? Not something long, not something that is going to take you forever to complete. No. Okay, so what are you going to be doing? Well, there are business owners, okay, that are going to be asking you to do different tasks. Okay, it can be watching or creating a short video, it can be editing a photo, it can be taking a survey, it can be writing your honest review, test an app, write an article. Okay, so they're an online marketplace that connects businesses with people. Okay, so here you have an opportunity. Remember, these are quick jobs. Okay, they're gonna pay you on cryptocurrencies, so there is no limitation on how you guys are gonna get paid. As soon as you're ready to join, you can click here where it says sign up. Okay, where it says sign up, you're gonna land here on this page. You just provide your real name. Okay, and this is for internal verification only. You just need to type your email address. I usually suggest people to create a different email address for this type of websites, so you know that whenever you're checking that email, right, it's because you know that you have some kind of task. Okay, so I always suggest people to create like a different, it can be a Gmail account preferably, so you can do that. Okay, so you need to have your real name, your email, your password, and nickname. And let me show you this website. It's available in all of these countries, so I'm pretty sure yours is gonna be here. Okay, you need to check here that you are gonna be a worker. Okay, you're gonna be a worker, and you need to agree the terms and conditions and make sure that you are gonna get all the news and events, so you don't need to be signing up to Pico Workers to check on it. Okay, another way in which you can actually earn money, it's by their referral or affiliate program. Okay, if you're enjoying this site, okay, you can refer a new member and are going to be earning commissions. Okay, where you can put your links, where you can put it on blogs, forums, websites, social media, so you can do a review and you're gonna have the opportunity to earn money. Okay, so for each purchase made, if they decide to purchase something, remember that they're actually here people who needs for your help. You're gonna be earning 5%, and for each successful job your member complete, you're gonna earn 5% as well. Okay, so this is a great way in which you can earn money online. let me show you how much money people have been making so far and how they're gonna get paid. As you can see, this is actually updated consistently. Okay, for example, this person, Noah 2020, he or she get paid via PayPal for 14. If you don't have PayPal, you can get paid with RTM, Litecoin, and other payment methods. So there is no excuses, guys. You can actually earn money online. As you can see, for example, this person here, they have made so far over $1,300, $42, $17, $1,200. So there is no excuses, guys. You just need to have a commitment and decide to do it. Okay, this is the very first website. Remember, it's called Pico Workers. Okay, another website, because it's really important for you guys to have options. Okay, you can decide to join one of them, or you can decide to join all of them. Okay, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. Also, please let me know what's your favorite payment method. How do you guys prefer to get paid? Is you prefer to get paid with cryptos, because they can be, you can use them all over around the world. There's actually no restriction. Or you can actually prefer to get paid with RTM, or you prefer to get paid with PayPal. Leave it in the comment area, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is going to be helping you, and it's information. It's actually really important for me. So the second website, it's called Ernably. So you can go to Ernably.com, and these guys are ready to pay you if you decide to complete simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys. That's it. How you're gonna get paid? Well, you can get paid with PayPal. You can get paid with gift cards. Okay, let me show you just a moment. You are gonna be actually earning points. Okay, you're gonna be earning points, and you need to redeem them into instant cash or free gift cards. Okay, you remember that you can get paid with PayPal, or you can get paid with actually gift cards. If you decide to invite someone because you're enjoying this this website, you're going to be earning 10% of their earning for life. So this is a great way to make passive income. Okay, one cool thing that I like about Ernably is the fact that they're using Trustpilot. Okay, right now they have 907 reviews. What is really important of the fact that they have Trustpilot, that they're using it. Trustpilot is a third-party review service. Okay, so that means that they cannot be, deleting reviews that they don't like. And these are really real people, and they are verified. Okay, right now they have 4.8 out of 5. So this website is excellent. Okay, not everybody is happy, but a 4.8 out of 5, that's really, really great. So you can take your time, you can read the reviews, and you can see what's other people's experience. Okay, that's something actually really, really important. Okay, so far we have seen 2 websites. Let me show you another one, and this one is really, really interesting. This is also an app. It's called StreetBees. To be honest, I haven't seen anything like this before, so that's why I leave it for the last, because I haven't seen anything before. This is the world's first human intelligence platform. Okay, I'm gonna explain you what you're gonna be doing in a moment. But right now, they're capturing real-life moment at scale and in people's own world, so that drive your next growth opportunity with their AI-powered analysis. Okay, so this is actually helping several companies like Unilever, Pepsi, Danone. Okay, so here you can see like different people doing different activities, and they have their human intelligence platform linked by customers or by consumers. Sorry. Okay, so you are not gonna be, one of the brand, but you are gonna become an ambassador. Right now, it's easy to join and it's free to join. You can become a B. Okay, you can, if you have some spare time, you are going to be earning cash, okay, just by answering questions about what you're up to. You can download the app, and the app right now it's available on iOS, so you can go to the App Store or you can go to the Play Store, Google Play Store, if you're using Android, okay. Well, what is an actual Street B? Well, Street B's mobile app allows brands to truly understand the consumers, okay? By using their stories, photos, and videos, you can share with them, okay, your life insight about what you think about them, what you think about their products. It is actually really easy to join. You can download the app. You're gonna create an account. This is really important and something that I want you to take into consideration. Their payment method is PayPal, okay? So it's actually PayPal. You can earn money and they're gonna send it to you straight away, okay? So you don't need to request it. You don't need to be waiting time. You're gonna get paid, okay? So select a story and respond it like a chat style question, okay? Provide as much detail as you can, and you can take pictures, you can take photos. And something really important that I really like is that there is no right or wrong answer, okay? You just need to provide your honest opinion. There is no complicated or formal questions or rating system, okay? You can let them know as much or as little information as you want. You just need to be honest, and that's it, guys. Okay, so remember at the beginning of the video I told you that you can use all of these websites, so there is no limitation. And if for some reason one of them is not available in your country, hey, don't worry, use the others too. Okay, and remember that if you want to discover what's my number one recommendation so you can live your life in your own terms, I'm going to leave a link below. If you haven't answered so far, let me know what's your favorite payment method. Maybe you would like to, or you enjoy being paid to PayPal. Maybe you don't have PayPal available in your country. Maybe you prefer to get paid with crypto because that's the newest thing, or that's what everybody's using right now, because there is no limitation. Or if you have another way that maybe I don't know, but it's a good way in which you can actually get paid, leave it in the comment area, because I want to make sure that I'm gonna be creating content that is gonna be helping you guys. If you're enjoying this content, again, please leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it, and I see you on the next video.